Hi guys, so today is kind of a big day for me. It's my naturalization interview. So if I pass this test, I'm gonna be a citizen. And so anyways, I normally don't do this type of video, but to me this is kind of like a big deal, and I just want to document everything and also want to share it to you guys, like the process and also requirements that that USCIS need. So I did file the N400 online last year around March, and then I did they scheduled me a week or two after that for the fingerprint, which is the biometric fingerprint. But then since last year until this year, we still have this pandemic, but then around March, that was when the pandemic really gotten bad. So they had, when I went there, they didn't even call me and let me know that the USCIS in Virginia office was closed. So I literally went there and drove there, and a lot of people were waiting there as well, and they said that they didn't get a call from USCIS that their schedule for biometric was canceled. So I wasted a day to drive all the way in Virginia because my house is literally like an hour away from Virginia. So now, fast forward now to January 4th, 2001. I'm already here in a parking lot in Baltimore. So I already did my fingerprint last November. Since they rescheduled my fingerprint November, I did that. And then a couple weeks later, I received a mail from USCIS saying that I have a interview. It's application for a naturalization interview here in Baltimore, which is almost 2 hours away from my house. So I had to wake up early today and drove all the way here. Anyway, my appointment's at 9:30. I got here around 8:30, so I have like an hour early for my appointment. I think that's much better because I don't want to be stuck on traffic. Also, I have a lot of papers here, which is I'm gonna discuss to you guys later. I have my naturalization test pocket guide here. This is what they look like. It's so tiny, and all the questions are here, which is 100 questions. They do have the new questions, which is 128th, and I'm gonna discuss that later as well, so you guys can know. But anyways, for now, I'm here in the parking lot right now. I'm just gonna study more and I'll update you guys later. Guys, I passed my test. Oh my goodness, I passed the interview. I am finally a American citizen. I was so nervous, but thank God the officer that interviewed me was so nice and he was very helpful. So anyways, I'm gonna go over the requirements and what happened. So let me just start. So once you come, I think it's all different offices. Since I live in Maryland, I have to go all the way here in Baltimore. But once I came in the office, there's a security, so you put your bags in the conveyor belt, and they'll just like scan you. Plus, don't bring any pepper spray because I had to leave my pepper spray or any stuff that can harm other people. So just leave it in your car. And also, once I was inside already, I had to go to the counter, and they give me this. Hold on, because my appointment is 9:30, so I had to go to the counter, and my number was P46, and then she just asked me for my green card and appointment letter, and then after that she handed me this paper, which is P46, not 96, P46. So once after that, the way they set up the sitting chair is it has to be 6 feet apart, since we still have COVID, and you are required to wear a mask. They will not let you in if you're not wearing a mask. So just please bring your mask, and don't forget to wear your mask, and just be safe. And also they have hand sanitizer everywhere as well. So each seat has like at least 6 feet apart. So I was like sitting, and also it took them for like at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then they called my name. my number and my name, and then I went on the officer's room, the officer where they do interview. And so anyways, he started with like the question. Okay, so after he asked for my name and date of birth, he did proceed to ask like, were you ever involved in any way with any of the following, like genocide, torture, stuff like that. And it's literally just the same questions in when you filed for your N400 application. They just want to confirm it in their computer. So whatever you put in your N400 application, you have to tell them the truth. And oh, before even asking the question, I oath that to tell the truth, nothing but the truth. And then he said, you know, just put your purse in the other other chair. And that's when we proceed to like the question. So basically what's in the N400 application, whatever you put in there, is he just gonna go over through it. And then I was surprised that he asked this question first, because I thought it's gonna be the civics test first. So after he asked all those questions, he didn't proceed with the civics test, which I passed. I remember the question, I don't know if it's in here. The question was, who vetoes bill, when was the month that we vote for the president, what else did he ask me? Like what month did we celebrate 4th of July? What day or what month do we vote for the president? Like what month did we last day for filing taxes? So all those stuff I answered correctly. So for the old one, they can only just ask you 10 questions and you have to pass 6. And I believe for the new one is they ask you 20 questions and you have to pass 12. But since I filed earlier last year or around March, I got the old questions, and I was thankful that I got the old questions, because the 128 question, that's kind of a lot. Also, the video that really helped me as well is the same as in this book, is I'm gonna leave in the description box. I'm gonna try that link and leave in the description box about the videos that really helped me study. I was on the way here, I was still listening at the question and answer. It's like a civics flash test, whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna try to leave that in the description box below. After the civics test, we then proceed to reading, which is the one in the tablet says when is Columbus Day. And then of course I read the what's in the tablet. And then after that is writing test, which is I did also write in the tablet, so you have to sanitize your hands, and then you use the tablet. So basically that's it. And then after the civics writing and reading, is he didn't proceed about more information about me, when I was married, where I work, basic questions, like just more information about you that you already put in your N400 application. So that's literally it. And he didn't asked me about my marriage, and then when is my husband's birthday, his name, where did we live, stuff like that. So basically just more information about you that he wants to know, or the officer wants to know. And then after that, he gave me this paper. He said, congratulations, I passed the test. And then after this, he said, I will get a mail. I don't know, he said he don't know when, but I will get a mail for oath taking ceremony. So hopefully that's gonna be soon, so I'll be over this whole thing. So anyways, I think I covered everything. And if you guys have any questions regarding about the this whole N400 application, comment down below. I'm gonna try to help you guys out. And that's why I make this video, because I was actually looking for the same situation like me. I came here through fiance visa. So if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'm gonna try to answer it for you. So anyway, you guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Before that, I'm gonna try to call my sister, because they've been all waiting for. I hope they're still up, because it's already late in the Philippines. So I'm gonna try and call them. I'm just gonna put them in speaker. I'm talking to my sister. Say hi to the vlog, Nick. Asa mas ati? Asa day ka?
Espanto. Kagwapa sa ito sa kamyo.
Ah, thank you.
Ako din.
Gwapo man ka lang. Uy, kagwapo sa kong hinday. Ay.
Vlog, sige ko yung pakita si Singa.
Te! Pasar ka! Nakapasar. Alam. Na-stress kasi. Nakapasar ko.
Ano? Pasar. Kapasar, Lucia. Pasar ka?
Lagi. Lagi, nakapasar ko. Dali ra kayo. Mga kuanda, sarapod ka oras, kapin.
Ha? Sarap oras.
Usa ka. I-unplug ang headphone, day.
Tata?
Aw. Mana kong interview. Kuha na lang. All taking ceremony na lang.
Hindi, nakapasar ka. Kapin na yan.
Nagkuhan ko. Nag-vlog ko. Kuha na ko pa milk tea. Pa-cafe. Pa-cafe. Yeah, congratulations na anak ko kuhan. Yay! Oh, guess what? I passed my exam.
All right, congratulations.
Citizenship na ko nga exam. Interview.
Oh, really?
Yes!
Wow, congratulations, guys.
Oh, gi-surprise ti ka kay wala ti ka giingnan nga nako interview para kuan ba? Para surprise.
Alright!
I'm finally a citizen.
Alright, congratulations!
Thank you. Also, I just called my aunt and my other family, my husband and my sisters, just to tell them the big news. And also, anyway, guys, I also wanted to tell you, don't be nervous, just study, and you know, don't memorize everything, and also understand the question and answer so you don't get nervous. But anyways, if you have, like I said, if you have any questions about this whole thing, let me know in the comment section down below so I can help you guys out. Anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next vlog. Bye.